Okay, so there's appears to be a little bit of confusion between two words in science these days, and that's between the word transgenic and transgender. So these are actually not synonyms. These are two completely different words. So what do they mean? So transgenic refers to organisms such as mice, which are commonly used in research, that have had genes from another species inserted into their DNA. And so this is a very common scientific technique that's used in many molecular biology research labs to study different diseases, test treatments, understanding genetics. For example, one of the best studies of this is with the green fluorescent protein, which was the topic of the 2008 Nobel Prize to Martin Chalfie, Osamu Shimomura, and Roger Cien. And so they took a gene from the jellyfish, Aquaria victoria. I probably mispronounced that, but it was a jellyfish, and that it basically makes the gene that makes the gene product glow under UV light. And so scientists can actually use this green fluorescent protein to study gene expression and protein localization, as well as many interactions in living cells. So that's actually a very useful thing, and it's used very commonly in many research. Now, transgender is completely different. That describes people whose gender identity differs from the sex that they were assigned at birth. And so now the terms cisgender and transgender do come from the chemistry community, right? Cis being, if two substituents on an alkene are on the same side of the double bond, they're cis. Trans is opposite sides of the double bond. So this, when talking about gender, if your gender matches your sex assigned at birth, you're cisgender. If you're transgender, your gender is opposite. So the terms do come from the chemistry community, but they have nothing to do with biochemistry, and so it's different. So when next time you hear transgenic mouse, you know that we're talking about science, not gender. And so if any other scientific terms confuse you, drop them in the comments below. I hope this helps.